What is up, my beautiful creatures of the knife? I have yet another doom scrolling purchase in the middle of the night from White Mountain Knives, my favorite place to shop. And I do know exactly what is in this box, and I am excited to get it out because I forgot that I ordered it. It's been a busy week. And yeah, so I got a notification. This showed up today, and if I can figure out how to open said box. Like, are you kidding me? Apparently we're going to do it like that. All right. Oh, decisions. I'm going to do this one. I can't wait. This is the Sean Ashmore dial. Boy, that thing is tiny. A little smaller than I thought it was going to be. Oh, oh man. Okay, all right. I'm feeling it. Oh yeah. All right, technical difficulties. The GoPro battery died. Yes, I shoot on a GoPro. I'm poor. And when it came down to buying a camera that could do everything or a really nice camera to do one thing, the GoPro won. So yeah, so I'm shooting on a GoPro for now. Get a better camera a little later on, but this way, if I never get any viewers, I still got a GoPro. So, the Guile, Sean Ashmore's knife. It's my first chance to get it in the hand, take a look at it. I actually really like this thing. First couple of flicks, I was a little skeptical, but yeah, this thing feels really good. Yeah, I'm gonna dig this thing. It's actually really nice for flipping. Feels like it's gonna come out of the pocket. Be able to get on it really good, even with a big hand. Absolutely love this blade. It the lines on it are just fantastic. I mean, when you catch it in the right light, it almost looks like it has like a bird's beak to it, but it's straight. I'm digging it. I haven't even tried. Oh, indeed. Yeah. Get it with the finger. Oops. Get her with the reverse. Get it. Can't really. Yeah, you can get it with your thumb. If you get your thumbnail under the corner of it, you can get it. Yeah, right on. See what we got in here. Do you like your new knife? Yeah, probably. I think I do. CV sticker looks like... is that a sticker? That can't be a sticker. Oh, it is a sticker. It looks like it was printed on Grandma's Canon. Nice micro cloth. Buy some more knives. Yeah, right on. All right. Now for this bad ride. TacKnives. This is a new unboxing knife. This is the whole reason I made an order. I was like, you know what? I need a unboxing knife. So, saw the TacKnives. This is my first TacKnives. Ooh, I like it. Got a patch for the wall of shame. I think that's a, no, is that a sticker? Tell if it's a card or a sticker. Yep, sticker. Right on. At least these ones look printed a little better. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, fuzzy. Yes. Nothing in here? Nothing else in here. Plus it's soft. Yeah, this looks really good. Nice finish. This is the Zipper. TK Zipper in blue, if you couldn't tell. Doesn't feel bad. Comes out of there kind of nice. I do like that. That's a little... Holy balls. WTF. What's that? That is... Wow, that is that's garbage. I mean, why? How could you not? That's really disappointing. Yeah, I don't, wow, I don't really know what to say about that. That's some BS. The outside of it is fantastic. The fit and finish looks nice. The clip is nice, but I would expect that. I wouldn't even expect that quality off Amazon. Not talking trash about Amazon knives, but yeah, I don't know. I'm at a loss for words. That thing just rattles around in there. I mean, it's loose in every direction. Why couldn't you tighten that tolerance up? Maybe this is a thin razor blade, but I mean it's such a loose and a crappy tolerance that as you work this end, it's just going to dull the shit out of the blade on the other side. So I mean, what's the point of having a utility knife with a removable blade that, you know, in theory you flip it over and put it back in and, you know, you've got a sharp edge like any other utility knife in the world. But this is horrible. I've felt better $3.99 utility knives, you know, with the screw, and you got to use the screwdriver, and They don't even retract. They're just, you know, fixed razor blade for your enjoyment. That's kind of a real bummer, judging by the outside of this, and you know, in the fit and finish. I would gamble a little more money on one of the larger OTFs from TacKnives. I mean, this whole thing probably weighs as much as my Microtech, but I don't mind that. But that blade is just, it's crap. You know, I could even deal with a lighter, you know, with this light retention. I mean, that doesn't bother me. I'm not going to be, you know, carving 2x4s with this thing. I mean, really, I just wanted it to open up boxes, but that blade moves around. It's kind of disgusting. I won't send it back because I don't want to be that guy and be like, my $75 knife is crap. But I'm disappointed. Maybe I bet if I put a piece of masking tape over the blade here, I bet I can probably get it to snug up a little bit. I don't know if you can hear that. Let's see if I can hold the blade. Yeah, see, if I hold the blade, like nothing. No noise. That's all blade. I don't know if you can hear that. I got a Rode mic, lapel mic, pair of them. I'm gonna start trying to use maybe this weekend to get some better audio on these videos, and probably get a macro lens for the GoPro. Try to increase the quality of the videos, but I'm running 10 minutes long. This turned into a review. TacKnives, the Zipper, kind of a letdown, but the Civivi Guile, Sean Ashmore's knife, Peace Neighbor, got the logo on there. I'm digging this. A little smaller than I thought, but the flipper on this thing is just, God, it's right in the right spot. He really designed a nice knife. This is a really gorgeous piece of work. I'm not gonna turn this into a review for this knife too. I already turned it into a review for the TacKnife, the crap knife. Crapper. The crap knife Zipper. Bummer. Civivi Guile. Aces. Alright guys, catch you on the next one.